Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming the armrest fasteners and getting tools ready so you don't stall mid-job. Remove small trim panels or rubber pads to expose screws. Use a flat pry gently to avoid marks. If you see a plastic cover over a bolt, pop it up and loosen fasteners now. Once done, check for hidden screws at the hinge and along the underside. Make sure you can lift the armrest slightly to see mounting points before moving to disassembly. You'll remove the visible screws first and keep them ordered so reassembly is straightforward. Support the armrest with one hand while you unthread hinge bolts with a socket to prevent sudden drops that can damage upholstery. If the armrest has a pop clip, insert a thin pick and twist to release. This reduces risk of breaking the plastic. Once the mechanical mounts are free, locate the electrical connector, press the tab to release, and separate the plug, so you'll finish by lifting the armrest straight up while watching for snagged clips so you don't tear fabric. Set the removed piece on a clean surface and inspect mounting tabs. Replace any cracked plastic before reinstalling. Make sure all screws and clips are accounted for and labeled to speed reassembly. If a bolt won't budge, apply penetrating spray to the threads and wait a few minutes. If wiring is damaged, repair or replace the harness before putting everything back together.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.